If you're cross-posting on multiple platforms, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn, you know that one-size-fits-all content doesn't cut it. Different platforms need different aspect ratios. Different campaigns need different sizes for testing, and different channels might demand different designs altogether. And that leaves us with a problem. Doing this by hand is a time sink. Before you know it, you're spending hours tweaking layouts and aspect ratios, and then putting the same old information on 5 variations of the same poster. Bannerbear solves this. Design your templates once, group them into a set, feed them the same data, and generate all your variations at once. Link it to a data source. We'll use Airtable and Zapier for this. And you've got an endless pipeline for your social posts, physical posters, and website banners. New data in, new graphics out. Setup takes under 30 minutes and you're looking at zero code. There's no reason not to give it a go. Here's what you'll need. Multiple Bannerbear templates with matching dynamic data fields, an Airtable base with your data, and a paid Zapier account to tie it all together. Let's build. In Bannerbear, templates become a set when they're grouped together. This lets you push the same data, text, image, emojis, whatever, to multiple templates and generate an image collection via a single API call. The templates in a set can vary however you want. Different aspect ratios, backgrounds, text colors, whatever. When setting Bannerbear up to generate collections of images, the critical thing to remember is that your dynamic fields must have the same name and type across all templates in the set. This is how Bannerbear knows which data goes where. If one template calls a data point headline and another calls it title, you'll run into problems. Now, from your project page, scroll down to Template Sets. Click Create a Template Set. Here, you can select the templates that you want to add. Once all of your templates are added, the Bannerbear side of things is ready to go. Remember, you can always edit your template sets. Make design changes to your templates, add or remove them from different sets, and continue evolving your workflow to match your current needs. Now, on to the next step. Making sure your Airtable base is primed and ready to feed information into your templates. Then store the generated images. Every record will generate a new image collection, so you get all the variations you need for that set of data. Start with an Airtable base already filled with the data you want in your images. Text, links, emojis, whatever you have. Everyone's base is going to look different depending on their use case, but they're all going to include these 3 things. Fields for every data point your template pulls in, fields to store the generated image links, and a checkbox field to signal when a record is ready to generate. Create a filtered view that shows only checked records. This prevents wasting credits on incomplete data. Have at least one test record ready and checked before moving on. Here's a pro tip. Making sure your Airtable field and Bannerbear layer names match might take a few more minutes, but it'll make it easier to avoid mistakes while mapping them to each other later on. Now we tie it together. We're going to build a 3-step Zap that watches Airtable, generates your images when a record is checked, and stores the links right back in the base. No code, no fuss. Log into Zapier and create a new Zap. Step 1, Airtable will be our trigger. Add the app to your Zap, connecting your account if needed. The trigger event will be new record in your checked view. Test it, then move on. Step 2. Bannerbear goes next. Use Create Collection as the action event. Select your template set from the drop-down and scroll to Modifications. This is where you map Airtable fields to Bannerbear layers. Use the Airtable record ID as metadata. It's how you'll match images back to their source records later on. Test the step. Now, if you've done this correctly, you should see links to those brand new generated images in the data output section. Step 3. Airtable returns to store those generated image links. Add the app and choose Update Record as the action event. Use the image metadata to find the original record, then store the generated image links in the appropriate fields. Test the step. If you've done this correctly, you should see the links pop up on your Airtable base. And there you have it. A simple automation that's easy to replicate over and over. That's it. Once you hit publish, your automation is live. Now, every time you check a record in Airtable, a full image collection generates and stores itself back in your base, ready to post, test, or ship wherever you need it. If you're just getting started on Bannerbear image generation with Zapier, we've got a tutorial for that too. Check out our channel to learn how to set up a simple single image automation with this workflow automation platform. Thanks for watching and happy automating!